Hi everybody, especially to Lisa. Happy birthday, Lisa. You are very blessed by God. That's a big blessing to God. We all are proud of you because God is using you to touch the heart of your brothers and sisters, neighbors, friends, to bring to God and to renew their life. And God will really bless you, especially the fruits of the Spirit, so that you continue to have the strength and the resistance to do your best to serve God. And you know, Lisa, all the trials that happen to our life, that's only the way to be more close to God. So God did not give us fear. He said in Bible, the words of God, and God also said that He will not leave you or forsake you. And God also said, God gave you wisdom so that you can use it to serve God and the people. So continue your good work to God. And I'm proud God is blessing you, the Holy Spirit of wisdom, and God really heard our prayers. You know, Lisa, habang naririnig ko ang mga email nyo, kitang-kita ko na ikaw ay talagang binebless ng Panginoon. Tunay na ikaw ay ginagamit. Kaya pagpatuloy mo ang lahat na ginagawa mo maganda. Natutuwa ang Diyos, ang mami mo, ang daddy mo, lahat silang nasa kabilang buhay. Sapagkat tayong lahat ay magsasama-sama doon. Kaya continue lahat ang mga magaganda mong gawa. Ganon din si Seni na kapatid ko dahil siya at si Lisa ang ginagamit ng Panginoon para lahat kayo dyan sa paligid, kapitbahay, mga kaibigan, lahat sila ay hihipuin ng Panginoon Diyos dahil sa inyo para lahat-lahat ay magiging nakakamit natin ang forgiveness na ibibigay ng Diyos at lahat ng ating mga trials, yan lang ang daan para makamit natin lahat. Kaya continue praying, praying in the powerful to be close to God and to be answered all our prayers. So, hindi na ako mahaba magsasalita dahil marami pa magsasalita. Kaya natutuwa kami lahat sa iyo, Lisa. Happy birthday and enjoy your birthday. God bless you all.